Hey guys, how are you? Today is Sunday, June 19th. Happy Father's Day, everyone. For all the dads that are out there, I already wished both of mine Happy Father's Day. So let's get to it. I got some Amazon goodies in here. Those are paintings. Okay. I'm going to start out with these first. This one, sorry with all the, that's weird. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put that in a whole other bag, because that totally ripped. Oh. It's a cute little owl. It's one of those, I don't want to take it all apart, but it's one of those hanging crystals. So I'm just going to leave all that there. These are the drills of gold, white, red, blue, and teardrops. So those are all the colors in this one. One second. Let me get a... I figured I'll do the video now because my parents are going to be gone for a little bit. So there's number one. Got it on Amazon. So that's what it looks like. It's so cute. I can't tell. Is it both-sided? I think it is. No, it's not. No, okay, so it's only one-sided, so that's kind of neat. Excuse me. Hope this one does not break. I got a set of them. A set of 3. These bags are not very good. I'm gonna have to... Yeah, I'm re-bagging all of these because that's just poorly bagged. So, again, they're like the little crystal hanging pieces. I got a cute little bumblebee. Again, these are not double-sided. These are just the one. And they're very sticky. So this is a bumblebee. And, oops. So I got like blue, silver, gold, and gold like little teeny tiny teardrops. The last bag is probably not very good either. And it comes all, like, it doesn't come all assembled, but it comes with all the things. That's what the butterfly looks like again. Okay. Yeah, these are fairly poorly packaged. It makes it annoying because when you expect something, you expect it to be well packaged, but you know, it's fine, no big deal. So this one, like I said, they're not double-sided, they're just one-sided. And it comes off like that. And it's sticky, very sticky. Oh, Nelly. It's a pretty butterfly. I'm not going to show you the drills to this one, because the drills didn't come loose, but you can see it's all special shapes. So you got yellow, blue, you got different kinds of teardrops in here, you got orange, and you got red. So I'm going to do just another sandwich baggie. Because I had ordered one like a long time ago. If you guys remember, I ordered a couple different ones, but I ordered like a gnome. Yeah. But I just put you like that. That way, all of it's together. I figured after I finished DAC's plug-in smoothie, I would do my clock, and then maybe I'll do a couple of those and show you what they're like. But I did want to show you guys really quickly. I did finish off that whole section there, so I'm really proud of myself. I don't have any time today to work on it, but tomorrow. So yeah. This one, for a fact, I know I don't have. It is so cute. Here's the toolkit. Ooh. It's a sweet home. It is so cute. It has a lot of color blocking. It only has 17 colors, and it's a 30 by 40. I could not resist this one. This one was just too cute to pass up, and I love it. So here's all the colors. It is round. So you got white, a brown, a green, a yellow, like a light orangey color, pink, blue, a dark brown, yeah, so that's all the colors in this one. And here's the painting again. It's so cute. This one, I cannot resist it. It is so cute. It reminded me of the one I got of Stitch and Yoda, which I believe actually Huh. I don't know where it is right now. I finished it. It's finished and it's framed. Oh well, I'll have to look for it later. But it's the same idea. Toolkit. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. It's Stitch and Pikachu. Oh my god, yeah. 30 by 40. 15 colors, a lot of color blocking, which I love. Because you know me, I'm in color blocking. So you got three different blues here, and 3 packs of the same blue, which is these ones right here. You got, excuse me, darker blue, like a light caramel color, like a darker blue, probably like 939 or 823. Purple. Red, yellow. But yeah, these are all the pretty colors. But it's so cute. I mean, come on. If you're a Pikachu and a Stitch fan like I am, you have to get this one. I got it off of Amazon. It's so cute. Sorry. I got another painting. This one I've looked at quite a few times. I'm like, yeah, I'm finally gonna get it. Toolkit. It's a 30 by 40. Oh, it's confetti. But it's so cute. Oh my goodness. I can't even. I can't. I love it. So again, 30 by 40 round. 32 colors. So you got a lot of, it's like a Christmas one almost, because it has a lot of like red, greens. It has some silver, gray in there, black, red, more red, and orangey colors. It's so cute. I love it. I can't even. And it does have the DMC numbers on the canvas, so you don't like putting like 1, 2, 3 when you kit it up. When it's like these, I just kit it 1 through 32. You know, I don't put the DMC numbers on them. So yeah, there's that one. It is so cute. Again, it was 30 by 40. And this one. Ow! I'm full of paintings today. Putting my mom in here because she would kill me. That's why I decided to do the video now. And quickly before they get back. Toolkit. Well, this one's super pretty. To the place like home. It kind of has like a beachy vibe theme. And I thought it was different. It's really pretty. Only 20 colors. It is confetti, but it's pretty. I absolutely love it. How did I get that on my arm? So this one will be like a lot of sandy colors, like earth tone, beach, or no, not earth tone. More like beachy, sandy colors. So you got peach, brown, blue, gray, white, my mom hates it every time when I bring more diamond painting in the house because she's like, oh, I don't need no more, but I have my own ways. So there's that one. And then the last 4 was a 4-pack. And it was full of pretty flowers. So I've seen this one quite a lot too, and I love it. So it says, friends are always welcome. It is confetti. But isn't it pretty? Every time when I get confetti painting, I don't know where to send it to. So it's 20 colors, 30 by 40, and it has the DMC numbers. So you can see the colors in here. Red, yellow, blue, green, white, black. So here's all the colors right here. Here's the painting again. Very pretty. I like the blue and the white together. It's 30 by 40. 20 colors. Oh, this one's very confetti. Wait, that's what the drill fill looks like. So this one, a lot of standard colors. Blue, green, yellow, white, purple, a little bit of purple. They're like a lavender color. Like my Stranger Things poster. I love it up there. Toolkit. Oh man, all of these are confetti. It's 30 by 40, 20 colors. I love this one. This one was one of my favorites out of all of them, next to the blue one. So you got some blues, greens, grays, pinks. Quite a few different pinks. White, yellow. Well, that's what it looks like. My last one. Okay. 20 colors. It's a nice summer one. It's welcome with the teapot and the cute little birdie and the apple. This one has a little bit color blocking in it, but not very much. There's something on the canvas, but it's not. So blues, oranges, light blues, pinks, greens, brown. So yeah, make sure you guys go check out Amazon. And that's all I have for you today. I hope that you like it as much as I do. And I hope to be back tomorrow working on my diamond painting for you. On that note, happy Father's Day, everyone. Bye.